Hi everyone, this is Rupashri Sunil Navelkar, and today I shall be teaching you all a very simple and easy technique to paint a teddy bear. So here I am using the Thoovi Arts 50 watercolor set, a 300 GSM watercolor paper, then few brushes which includes the mop brush, detailing brush, a pencil, eraser, a pointer in order to draw the circle shape, or you can even use any object which is circular shape to draw the circle shape. We need a towel and a water glass jar. So these are the requirements, and also a scale you can take, a ruler for measurement, and let's get started. So here I'm measuring 3 centimeters using the pencil and the pointer and trying to draw a circle shape. We have to use the same measurement to draw another circle below. Then taking 2 centimeter measurement, we will be drawing a semicircle. Just observe how I am drawing it, guys. Both the ends we have to draw it, and with 1 centimeter measurement, I will be drawing the legs of the teddy bear. This is a simple technique in order to draw a teddy bear, and then I shall be giving the detailing by drawing some more lines towards the head portion. And here we are drawing the ears of the teddy bear. Also drawing the mouth portion and the eyes, and trying to give little detailing to the nose area of the teddy bear. So our sketch is getting ready, and then we have to erase the circle portion little towards the cheek area of the teddy bear so that it looks a cute face of the teddy bear. Similarly, we have to erase certain parts of the circle area so that we can draw the hands of the teddy bear. And you have to observe, guys, clearly to see how I am drawing the features of the teddy bear. And here we are making the hands of the teddy bear. Also, we have to draw the leg portion of the teddy bear. In order to do that, we have to erase these circle lines which we have drawn when we were doing the circle shape. So here we will try to extend using the pencil the area of the leg portion, and while painting you can extend as much as you want depending upon how fat or slim you want your teddy bear to look. And here also I'm trying to give little details for the hands to make it a good looking teddy bear. Now it's time to paint our teddy bear. I'm using this shade of red color, and I will be starting to paint the facial portion, the upper face and the lower face area of the teddy bear using this color. Now when using the watercolors, you have to understand that you should not use lots of water, neither should you use very less water. Try to take desirable amount of water so that you don't mess up with your painting. And here I'm making half heart shape, and here I'm making full heart shape so that a teddy bear looks as if it's holding a heart shaped pillow. And then again using the same shade of red color, I will be painting the leg area of the teddy bear. And now using this color shade, I shall be painting the hands of the teddy bear. Please don't worry of the color going out of the required lines over here. That's absolutely fine, guys. You just have to enjoy your painting and have fun. Now using the same color shade of red which we had used earlier, I shall be painting leg area of the teddy bear and trying to give it little fuller effect using the black color for the nose area of the teddy bear, and also the eyes using the black color. Using the black color, I'm also trying to give little outline, and see, I'm trying to make it little furry because teddy bears has got fur for its body. So I will be just trying to give that fur effect using the black color, and now using little darker red color shade I am trying to give little outline using the same dark red color shade even for the pillow, that is heart shaped, and trying to outline even the mouth areas using the same dark red color shade. Even for the inner portions of the ear I have used the same color. And now I shall be using this shade in order to paint the half heart shape which we had made. Now I will be using the white color to give little detailing for the nose area and the eyes to make our teddy bear look little realistic. And then also for the heart shaped pillow, using the black color to give little outline for the hand portion also, and our teddy bear is almost done. So I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.